In this video, we are going to go over how to use a named range in a report. I have already created a BizInsight report and filled in the necessary parameters, including the company code, year, period, and account numbers. Click on the Named Range tab in the workbook. I have already typed the accounts that are associated with the current exchange gain and loss account. Instead of doing a list, I'm going to create a named range. First, select the cells containing 9560 through 9595. Go up to the left of the formula editor and type in the name of the list. In this case, I am naming the list current gain loss. Note, try to name your list something that you'll remember and make sure that there are no spaces. In this case, I used underscores in the place of spaces. Notice how if I highlight those again, the named range appears in the box. In the cell next to current exchange gain loss, type the name of your list current gain loss. This will remind you what the name of the list is when you enter it into the formula later. There are two ways of getting a named range in your formula. The first way is to directly type it into your formula box, while the other way is to select the cell and then type the name range directly into your formula bar after. First, drag over the BizNet function you want to use into the specific cell next to the current exchange gain loss. In this example, we are going to use the month-to-date net function. Next, click on the formula editor box in the toolbar. Select the company code, year, period, and type the name range into the segment 1 box. Make sure to anchor each parameter correctly, so if you copy the formula down, it'll copy correctly. Notice how when I type the named range into segment 1, the accounts that make up the range show to the right. And click OK. The second way to use a named range in your formula is to select the cell that contains the name in it and then edit it in the formula bar later. Simply open the formula editor box again, delete what we have in there, and select the cell that contains the named range. Now we're going to edit it in the formula bar. Simply delete what we have and start typing the name of the named range. Notice how it appears underneath, so you can just double click it so you don't have to retype the entire named range, and click Enter. You can manage your named ranges by going to Formula in the toolbar and selecting Name Manager. Notice how our named range is there. If you select it, then it'll show you where your named range is located in your workbook. It also shows you all the numbers that are contained in that range. And those are the quick and easy steps to creating a named range in your report. For more information at BizNet Software, contact us below or check out our website at biznetsoftware.com.